In Connectall 4.0, we have introduced the support of universal adapter for a group admin. As a group admin, you will have capability to create and manage your own universal adapter. So any universal adapter that has been imported or created as a group admin, you'll be able to manage it within the group. Create your own universal adapters, manage your own universal adapters, create automations based on the universal adapters, and this is only supported for a SaaS implementation. So as a CA admin, will be able to create, manage universal adapters for all tenants. You can share these adapters to tenants or across groups or globally. There is no change for a CA admin. Only difference for a CA admin is like when a group admin creates a universal adapter, the tenant name or the group name will be prefixed on the application type. So CA admin, when he logs in to figure out the tenant based universal adapters, will be able to do so. As a group admin, you'll be able to see a menu for the universal adapter. You can create and manage your own universal adapters. Only difference from legacy existing universal adapter and the new privilege given is like universal adapter can be created only for a Jolt specifications. Any transformation spec needs to be created can only be created by a Jolt. So if I log in as a group admin, in the menu I'll be able to see a new universal adapter tab which is newly introduced. Once you have it, you can either go ahead and create your own universal adapter or can go ahead and import universal adapter from any JSON that's already been shared. So this is a SAP cost center based universal adapter which has been given by my CA administrator, or possibly you can create it as a JSON. I'll be able to import it. I'll be able to see all the configurations in it from the JSON, and if you see in here, will not see the tenant or the group name in here. This is very specifically designed, or permission will be only available within the group, and the application name will have the group name prefixed. So when a CA admin wants to see all the universal adapters that has been managed, created by different groups, he'll be able to see that on the CA admin's universal adapter. The configurations that we were talking about, only the Jolt configurations you'll be able to see, not with the Groovy. And if there is a JSON or a universal adapter that has been shared by the CA admin, and if it has got Groovy, you will not be able to import them, as Groovy is restricted within the group admin. So let me go into the universal adapter, and I have a universal adapter with Groovy. So it will say that you cannot save because it contains a Groovy script. If at all you will have to use this, you have to go in, remove the Groovy scripts, and only then you will be able to upload it into the group admin instance. Thank you.